We just analyzed the transfer of electrons by identifying the species that lost electrons, in other words, the species that was oxidized, and by identifying the species that gained electrons, in other words, the species that was reduced. But another way to explore electron transfer is by identifying the species that cause the other species to gain or lose electrons. After all, one species cannot gain electrons unless another species loses electrons. In other words, one species cannot be reduced unless another species is oxidized. So a species that gets reduced is called an oxidizing agent because by becoming reduced, it allows something else to get oxidized. And a substance that is oxidized is called a reducing agent because by becoming oxidized, it allows something else to get reduced. So let's take a look at this redox reaction here. We have A reacting with B, and we can see that A is going to give 2 of its electrons to B. So A, by giving away electrons, is getting oxidized, and B, by gaining electrons, is becoming reduced. However, since A is giving its electrons away, allowing B to get reduced, A is referred to as a reducing agent. And B, on the other hand, by accepting electrons and allowing A to get oxidized, we can refer to B as an oxidizing agent. So if you get oxidized, you are a reducing agent. If you get reduced, you are an oxidizing agent.